Thank you so much once again to all who watch our fairy tale performance. Once up on the stage, a fairy tale celebration. Thank you to all of the SPE parents who are here, who have been very supportive and stayed all throughout. Thank you, students, for watching and supporting. Especially to Ma'am Escuenta, Regina Escuenta, thank you so much. To our judges, Ma'am Zita Parra, Sir Fredo Amado, and of course, Sir Reynan Garino, thank you so much. Alright, thank you so much and congratulations, students! Teatro Taguay, SPA Drama Theater Arts, congratulations! Congratulations, parents! Ayan, so remember, sa kakaboy ninyo, tanan maka-rest day kita for 5 days. But of course, don't forget, ang 3 days na Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's not necessarily it's a rest day. But at least, hindi na po magkato sa school kay face-to-face na ang cancel. So please make sure, students, that you will be communicating with your teachers for the online classes, face-to-face classes. Congratulations! Pietro! Oo. Ano yan? Lagi na ba? Dalawang-dalawa ka pa ng microphone. Congratulations, Teatro Taguay! Thank you so much to our dear and beloved alumni. Disney, Manang Disney! Thank you so much! Manang Aliyah! Thank you so much! Manang Krista! Thank you so much! Manang Butchog! Thank you so much! And of course, microphone. Then, and of course, ang pinaka-big thanks is sa tanan, ang ilag, siya nga manaman ng tanan, nga ang last minute and on the spot nag-step in as the evil queen is Snow White. Congratulations, Manang Julie! Thank you so much for stepping up. And of course, hello, Manang Ashley! Where's Manang Ashley? Manang Ashley is also a former Teatro Lagway president. And of course, Manang Julie is also our former Teatro Lagway president. And Manang Disney also is our former Teatro Lagway president. Ayan, sige, come join the photo. Mag-photo, tabi yun. Ay, sige, be.